Print it like a pro. KODAK Dock Plus. Instant 4x6 magic at your fingertips. Tired of keeping your memories trapped inside your phone? With the KODAK Dock Plus 4-pass instant photo printer, you can dock, print, and relive your favorite moments in stunning 4x6-inch color prints. Whether you're snapping family photos, creating DIY scrapbooks, or printing travel memories, this printer is your new best friend. No cables, no fuss, just dock your phone or connect via Bluetooth, and voila! Instant, high-quality prints in the comfort of your home. No more rushing to the store or waiting in line. This portable photo printer puts professional quality pictures in your hands, instantly. Not all photo printers are created equal. The KODAK Dock Plus uses 4-pass Dye Sublimation Technology, layering ink with a laminated finish for sharp, vibrant, and long-lasting prints. Unlike cheap inkjet prints that fade and smudge, these photos are fingerprint-proof, water-resistant, and built to last. So spill that coffee, touch the prints all you want, your memories stay flawless and fade-proof. This isn't just printing, this is next-level photo preservation, making it superior to any traditional home printer. Your DIY photo albums, wall art, and keepsakes will look pristine for years, no fading, no blurring, just perfect memories. Want to get creative? The KODAK Dock Plus lets you print in two styles, borderless for a sleek, full-image look or bordered so you can jot down notes, dates, or doodles. With the free KODAK Photo Printer app, you can edit, add filters, frames, stickers, and even beauty enhancements before printing. It's like having a photo booth and design studio in your pocket. Whether you're making family keepsakes, printing Polaroid-style travel memories, or gifting custom prints, this printer gives you total creative freedom. Goodbye boring prints, hello masterpiece. Printing photos shouldn't cost a fortune. Compared to overpriced print services, the KODAK Dock Plus saves you big bucks with affordable printing at home. No need to waste gas driving to a store or waiting for online orders to ship. Print instantly and save time and money. This bundle even comes with 90 sheets, so you're stocked up for birthdays, anniversaries, scrapbooking nights, and holiday cards. Ditch expensive print kiosks, this printer pays for itself while delivering superior photo quality at a fraction of the price. Your wallet and memories will thank you. Memories fade, but your photos don't have to. The KODAK Dock Plus Instant Printer is affordable, easy to use, and built for high-quality prints that last a lifetime. Dock, click, print, done. No complicated setup, no overpriced ink refills, just effortless instant photos anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a scrapbooker, a photography lover, or someone who just loves physical keepsakes, this printer is the perfect addition to your home. Don't let your best moments get lost in your phone. Bring them to life today with the KODAK Dock Plus.